Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roll-down instructional materials. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need sturdy paper, 2 dowel rods, and a strong adhesive like hot glue or heavy-duty tape. Next, design your content, ensuring large, readable text and clear images. Finally, prepare your workspace to ensure efficient assembly and easy handling of your materials. Now, let's focus on designing your content effectively. For optimal visibility, use a large font size, ideally at least 72 points. This ensures your message is clear from across the room. Incorporate high-contrast colors, such as black text on a white background, to enhance readability for everyone. Organize your information logically with clear headings and concise bullet points for easy comprehension. With your content ready, it's time for assembly. Securely attach the top edge of your instructional material to one dowel rod using a strong adhesive, like hot glue or double-sided tape. Next, attach the second dowel rod to the bottom edge. This provides essential weight and stability, ensuring your material hangs straight and rolls smoothly without any creasing or tearing. For the finishing touches, add a sturdy string or hooks to the top dowel for easy hanging and display in your classroom or presentation area. Always test the roll-down mechanism to ensure it functions perfectly every time you use it. When not in use, store your finished materials rolled up to prevent damage and save valuable storage space. Enjoy your new instructional tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.